For today's video, I'll show you how to delete your Bitget account. So let's begin. Now, you can do this via your mobile device. Just open the app, log in using your credentials, or if you're more comfortable deleting your Bitget account on your computer, hover to bitget.com and log in using your credentials. Once you've logged in, you're gonna need to click your user profile right here. Click on that. Okay, and click on my profile. Once you've done that, you need to hover down below where it says close account. Okay, so when you click on this, you will see some information here that you are given a warning before you can delete your account here. Okay, so before you can cancel your account or delete your account, you must complete the following steps. First is you need to close or liquidate your position. Number two, you're gonna need to withdraw the balance because Bitget will not be able to refund any amounts or transactions that you have in your Bitget account as soon as you've canceled or deleted your account here. Okay. Now, say for example, you're already decided to delete or cancel your account here. Just click on it. And then again, you are given a final warning that this action is irreversible. Make sure you have withdrawn your balance and completed all your transactions. Because canceling an account will result in the following: all trading and login functions are no longer accessible, all API private keys in your account will be disabled, all authorized devices will be removed, the verified identity information will be deleted, and no rewards will be distributed to your account. Once you are firm with your decision to delete your account here, just click you are aware of the consequences of canceling your card and click cancel account. And that's it for today's video. That's how you delete your Bitget account. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.